Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to come in with a quick impromptu video on two items that I purchased from a seller from SD. Yes, you heard correctly. It's a dupe of a popular item, and I just wanted to come and share my thoughts on the items that I purchased. These are Bottega Jodie dupes. I found the seller online after doing a lot of research. I did look at Amazon. I did go to Anthropology and I checked out their version of the Bottega handbag, but I just didn't want the larger version. I wanted the smaller version, just like the one I have here, and I just wanted to share my thoughts. Now, the first one I purchased is this one, the metallic one. If I'm out of breath, I'm in my last trimester of pregnancy. Just work with me. The metallic one I thought would be, a fun color to have when I'm wearing my graphic tees, if I'm wearing white and denim. I just thought it would be a perfect neutral to go with my clothing item. Now, do I think the quality on this is great? Not really. It feels like paper almost, to be honest with you. But it gives the look for less. This is something you get what you pay for. But yeah, I'm just being honest. It's definitely not my style. This is something I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone. So for days where I just want to be different, I would just pull this out. And is the quality that great? You have some stitching here. You might see not that great, but again, you get what you pay for. So this is the first item. The second item, the black one, day and night. I love this one. I'm not sure what's the backstory, why they're so different, but you can just look at this one and tell the difference between this one and the metallic one. This one feels luxurious, it's so soft, and I truly love this one. And if I was to purchase another color from the seller, I would definitely purchase the leather solid. Well, she says it's leather, but I would definitely purchase a solid color version. This holds all my items. I did have my items in here. I did record another video on my camera. My camera is acting up, so I had to resort to my cell phone, but I was able to put my key fob in here. I was able to put my card holder in here, my lip gloss, my lipstick, my mask, because of all the smoke that's going on in New York and Long Island, and it went in with no problem. I should go get it to show you how it can fit in here, so give me a second. To purchase both of these items, it came out to $126 with shipping. The only downfall, I purchased this at the end of April. They just arrived 2 days ago. So keep that in mind. Excuse me. Keep that in mind if this is something you want, if you need right away. I will put the seller information down below if anyone is interested. And yeah, let me go get my stuff so you can see what can actually fit inside of the bag. Okay guys, I'm back. I wanted to show you what can actually fit inside of this handbag. As I said, I love the black one much better than the silver one. So it opens up like so. This black one, I noticed, does not have a side zip compartment like the metallic one. So keep that in mind. So here's my mask. We need our mask. Here is my card holder. Here's my key fob. My Bobbi Brown lip gloss. My MAC lipstick. My Bloomingdale's pouch I have for many years now. And last but certainly not least, my hand cream. I'm recording on my cell phone, as I told you previously, and it fits in with no problem. This one is beautiful. I love this one. This one reminds me of the quality closest to Anthropologie. The metallic one, will I buy a gold one like the metallic one? No. If she comes out with a particular color red that I'm interested in, I would definitely purchase this one in a brighter color, because I think the solid colors are amazing quality. So this is just my honest opinion on these two dupes. Again, my name is Kimberly, also known as Loving to Shop. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye. Bye.